Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your TikTok app to the latest version on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, make sure that you follow all the steps because if you have an Android, you can also follow the same steps to update your TikTok app to the latest version. So guys, the first thing you'll have to do is to simply open App Store or the Play Store. There are two ways to update any application. The first one is the simplest way: to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and then simply search for TikTok. And after searching it, if it says update, you can simply tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. Now, in some cases, it will show you open option and it says that it's already technically updated to the latest version, but you don't have access to the latest features on TikTok app, and in that case you'll have to head over to the settings and then scroll down and tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're on this page, you'll be able to find TikTok app right here. You'll have to click on it, and if you have an Android, you'll simply have to navigate to the settings and go to app section and then look for TikTok. And after that you'll have to clear cache and then clear storage and then uninstall your app and then go back to Play Store and then reinstall it. And if you are on an iPhone, you'll have to click on offload app and then click on offload and then simply click on reinstall app, and your app will be force updated to the latest version. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.